Physics is not what most people think. Space is not expanding into anything. Particles do not pop out of nothing. Space-time is not a substance. Gravity is not a push. A horizon is not a wall. Fields are not fluids. The vacuum is not empty. Stability does not mean permanence. Probability is not guesswork. Zero is not nothing. Coordinates are not physical. Curvature does not push. Renormalization is not a hack. Fine-tuning is not magic. Effective theories are not failures. Precision defines constraint. Energy restricts geometry. Imaging is about detail, not shadows. Accretion reveals interiors. Gravity does not need a messenger. Metastable is not permanent. Only what fits the rules persists. Physics is not mythology. It is structure under constraint.